Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're told that Keith modeled the growth over several hundred years of a tree population by estimating the number of trees' pollen grains per square centimeter that were deposited each year within layers of a lake sediment. He estimated there were 310 pollen grains per square centimeter the first year, and there was a 1% annual increase in the number thereafter. We're asked which of the following functions models P of t, the number of pollen grains per square centimeter, t years after the first year the grains are deposited. So this is a really wordy problem, but all we need to know is that we have 310, and then it's going up by 1% every year. So we are taking 310, and we're adding 1% of 310. If we think of 310 as 100% of itself, then this is equal to 101% of 310. What is 101%? Well, percent is just a number out of 100, so we have 101 divided by 100 is 1.01. So this is just equal to 1.01 times 300. So let's say this is the number of pollen grains 1 year after the grains were deposited. So which of the equations, if we plugged in a 1, would this correlate to? So for A, P of 1 is 310 to the first power. For B, P of 1 is 310 to the 1.01 times 1. C, P of 1 is equal to 310 times 0.99 to the 1. And for D, P of 1 is equal to 310 times 1.01 to the 1. So this is equal to 310. This is equal to 310 to the 1.01. This is equal to 310 times 0.99. And this is equal to 310 times 1.01. So which of these matches what we actually got for 1 year after? Well, 1.01 times 300, times 310, because we're starting with 310, we're not starting with 300, matches up with D. And none of the others are going to match. The only one with a potential to is B, because 310 times 1.01 is going to be slightly larger than itself, but that's not the same function. So A and C are definitely out. B is probably going to be close, but it's not looking at the same function, where we're looking at 1.01 times 310. It's going to give you D as your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and we'll see you in the next video.